There was a lot of intense energy, intense power that had come down in today's meditation. I hope you all have felt it. I hope आप सबको वो महसूस हुआ. So please share your experience. Neeta ji, unmute yourself.
नमो नमः मीना मैडम.
Namo Namah.
जय विश्वनाथ, जय गुरुदेव.
जय विश्वनाथ.
मैडम आज का जो मेडिटेशन रहा था, जब आपने कहा कि
आपका आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है नीता जी.
हेलो, जी आ रहा है आवाज?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
आज का मेडिटेशन में जब आपने कहा कि नारायण जी और महालक्ष्मी जी आपको ब्लेसिंग दे रहे, मैडम रियली आई फेल्ट दैट लाइट. और जब हम हमारे मम्मी डैडी के पाँव छूते हैं तब जो फीलिंग मन में रहता है ना, रियली आई गॉट दैट एक्सपीरियंस. अभी तो मेरे मम्मी डैडी नहीं है, बट आई गॉट दैट एक्सपीरियंस. आई एम वेरी मच, मतलब बहुत ही मैं क्या बोलूं ऐसे, मतलब बात भी करने को नहीं हो रहा है. इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस. यस, वेरी मच इमोशनल. और बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मुझे मीन्स. और मेरा बॉडी वो उससे वार्म भी हो रहा था और आई वॉज फीलिंग वेरी नाइस. मैडम थैंक यू वेरी मच.
All Guru Kripa, all Guru Kripa, all Guru Kripa. Jai Vishwanath, Jai Gurudev. Yes, Sanita ji. Unmute yourself.
Namo Namah.
Namo Namah.
It was a wonderful experience, but I'm still feeling that heaviness. So can I just close my eyes for some time and sit?
Yes, yes, sure. Close your eyes.
I can sit and close my eyes for some time.
Yes,
5-10
do
minutes.
Do that.
I'm feeling that heaviness. But
yes.
I really thoroughly, it was I told you last time also, it is something that we have to experience to realize how good it is. I cannot describe it in words. It was very nice.
Yes, no issues. Close your eyes and sit down for some time.
Thank you so much. I'll share my reviews later.
Yes. Yes, MGRG. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Yes. Namo Namah.
मैं 2-3 हफ्ते से तो ज्वाइन नहीं कर पा रहा था. एक्चुअली मैं जैसे अनहैप्पी फील कर रहा था उससे. आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ क्योंकि बेटे के शादी के प्रोग्राम्स था ना, इस वजह से मैं ज्वाइन नहीं कर रहा था.
यस.
वो बिजी शेड्यूल के बीच में भी मेरे को ऐसे लग रहा था समथिंग आई एम मिसिंग.
आज का मेडिटेशन कैसे लगा?
I could join today. अच्छा फील हो रहा है.
Okay. Yes, Lakshmi ji.
Ma'am, I had a divine experience today. Like a lot of energy. There was a lot of vibrations in my body. And I got darshan of Mahalakshmi Devi at Mahalakshmi Temple and Kolhapur Mahalakshmi Devi also. And when you said just see that goddess Lakshmi coming out from that lamp, I saw a beautiful golden color Lakshmi coming from that. And she has showed a lot of that golden coins also. So I think I have received a lot of blessings today. And when you said I saw Lord Narayan also, and when I got their blessing, it was like, I felt I was under some shadow and somebody was there standing just near to me. So it was a divine experience, ma'am. No words to express my feelings.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so
Jai
much.
Gurudev.
And I saw Gurudeva also. Gurudeva had also blessed me, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Jai Vishwanath. Namo Namah. Yes, Shri Kumar Mama. Unmute yourself. Shri Kumar Mama. Unmute yourself. Yes.
It was actually a very long session for more than, I think, 50 minutes. And what was striking today was the long spells of silence, which is very important in meditation because you can go deeper, deeper, deeper in that silence. And you consciously, I think, gave 2 to 3 times, longer silent spell.
Yes.
So I was getting into real deep trance actually. Those, something as somebody earlier mentioned, it's beyond words. You got to experience it actually. Experience can never be said in words. So that is the, limitation for us. It's a great experience, and the Lords were with us. Both Bhagwan and Lakshmi both were with us. I really felt the abundance of that energy flowing into me. As such, it was very potent. As one lady just put, I was not able to even open my eyes. Normally, I open it very fast. Today, it took a little longer for me to open even the eyes. A great feel, and I must thank you, Beena. It's a great, great feel. I think God bless all of us, and Beena should have many, many years of such, spiritual sharing with people. And I think the more people joining, the merrier for them. I can only say that.
Right.
Otherwise, they're missing something.
It's all Guru Kripa. Yes. Thank
Right.
you. Yes,
Yeah.
Saloni. You can't be heard, Saloni.
Yes, ma'am. Can now?
Yes.
Yeah, I actually felt somebody when you said Lakshmi Ji, Narayan Ji coming there, somebody holding me and saying, "Don't worry. Why are you worrying so much? Are we there?" ऐसा feel हुआ. And I was उसके बाद जब आपने कहा कि as in raise your hands, and both my children came and sat near me, and I was initially started कि क्या क्यों आ गए? But then I realized maybe God wanted this to happen so that the energy of the hands goes to them, because that's where my screen is also. So initially that थोड़ा सा irritation आने लगा, पर वो suddenly जैसे भगवान ने कहा कि don't get irritated, this is for them only. So दोनों आकर मेरे बाजू में, and this is first time it has ever happened that they've come close to me while the meditation was on. So both of them came and they were just sitting beside me in that time. Yeah, the energy went directly to him, so I'm feeling very relaxed and peaceful, very nice and calm now. And generally on the day of meditation, I always tell that it's the calmest day. And after you give your after your guidance and your thing, day goes very smoothly and calm. Otherwise, I'm a little agitated on my toes. Kya ho raha hai, kya ho raha hai? But this day is very calm. So I always look forward to Tuesdays and Fridays.
It's all Guru Kripa. The energy was pulling the children to them. That is
Correct,
certain.
correct.
Yes.
I actually felt that. Yeah.
Yes. Yes, Srikanji.
Namo Nama, Veena ma'am, and
Namo Nama.
everybody. Jai Gurudev, Jai Vishwanath.
Jai Vishwanath.
Ma'am, I experienced that Sankalpa screen which I have kept in my mind is really going out and out and out in the atmosphere, in the universe. So that was a nice experience. Just observing that and feeling very, very great that I will be able to complete my Sankalpa in just near future.
Very good.
Today's experience was fantastic, and background music of Om Shri Mahalakshmi was very, very great and cool feeling. Thank you very much, ma'am.
All
Jai
Guru
Gurudev.
Kripa. All, yes. Jai Vishwanath, Jai Gurudev. Yes, Ushaji.
Namo Nama, ma'am.
Namo Nama.
It was a very comfortable, very peace-loving. I'm so happy after the meditation. Very happy. And divine blessing when we were to see Mahalakshmi in front, from the lab. So much of vibration on the face, like it was all lights, just like Diwali lights on the face. And the face got warm for some time. And it was such a reassurance, that I am being taken care of. That sort of a feeling. And just want to be in this state.
What was also surprising was the presence of Narayan, Sri Narayan Ji also who came.
Yes, right.
Because we were invoking Mahalakshmi Ma, she came, and then suddenly Sri Narayan Ji also came, and that was really remarkable. Yes, Ragini Ji. Unmute yourself, Ragini Ji. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Namo Nama, ma'am.
Namo Nama.
Nearly every review is, I'm agreeing with every review of the earlier participants. I have nothing more to say actually. And it was really a very peaceful, calming and emotional type of meditation today, where we really got attached to Lakshmi Narayan and felt their presence in our own self. It was, as Neetaji said, like our parents, we felt them, we saw our parents in them, and the same feelings, the same feelings of belongingness was there. It was lovely.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you to Gurudeva. It's all Guru Kripa.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Madhusudan Ji.
Is my voice audible?
Yes, certainly.
Namo Nama, Namo Nama.
Namo Nama.
So it was a fantastic experience, primarily from when I visualized and imagined Narayan and Lakshmi Ji. So especially on the crown chakra, it was like a message or something is getting passed from the crown chakra. Towards the end, the third eye chakra also, there was a huge vibration and there was a heaviness, or I felt that it was opening up. So this was something which was very unique that I experienced. Apart from this, initially when the breaths happened that we were trying to breathe in and breathe out, I did feel the emptiness. Throughout the session, there were a couple of phone calls also which kept on coming, but somehow means I was able to focus and continue on this. So that is something which I feel is a big change that happened inside me. So overall, a fantastic experience. Yeah, enjoyed. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yes, Girija Ji. Yes.
Namo Nama.
Namo Nama.
Today's is very special. Very, very special meditation. Very happy. I saw Krishna as well as Lakshmi Ji. And while I am raising my hands, I saw so many lamps rounding. So many lamps. So I am very happy with that. So Diwali is going on here in my mind and very, very so much energy also I got today, especially. And while last opening my eyes means slowly, very slowly, I can't open it. Like that it was. Thank you. Very nice. Thank
all
you very
Guru
much.
Kripa, all Guru
Yes.
Kripa. Don't thank me, it's all Gurudev's Kripa.
Jai Gurudeva. Jai Vishwanath.
Jai Vishwanath.
Namo Nama.
Namo Nama. Yes, who's left? Yes, Nandini Ji. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Namo Nama, Namo Nama. This
Namo
was
Nama.
very special. No words to say. Really special, extra special. Just like Pranavayu, we pray that under your guidance, we'll be able to do more and more and reach near Bhagwan, nearer and nearer. No words to say. Very special, very special. Thank you, Gurudeva. Thank you, Beenaji.
All thanks to Gurudeva. I am just a medium, nothing else. It's all
Didn't want to
Gurudeva's
open.
guitar.
Didn't want to open the eyes. Couldn't open also. Just want to sit like this in this trance. So much of peace, so much of happiness, so much of brightness. Everything. Thank you. In gratitude.
Jai Vishwanath, Jai Gurudev. Yes, Usha ji, Usha Vishwan ji. Usha Vishwan ji. Are you there, Usha Vishwan ji? Okay, anyone else is left? Yes, Suvarna ji. Suvarna ji. Yes.
Some problem with me, I don't know.
Yes, Suvarna ji, you can be heard.
From start only there was network issue, ma'am. I was not able to connect only.
Okay.
Got connected very late and I thought ki even my video also went off. I don't know what happened today. I couldn't concentrate also fully. But towards the end it was all good. All good. I could get the blessings and my house was full of lights and all. That little I got towards the end. I was irritated towards at the start because my video was not going, not opening. My network was not working properly. Then towards the end, everything went well. Again, it went off. I think now it's okay.
Yes, so all is well that ends well, no?
Yes, ma'am. That's what I feel. Yes.
So you don't need to worry. Always the ending will always be well. You don't need to worry.
Correct.
Meenakshi ji.